Hi everyone, welcome to the Mama Elephant YouTube channel. This is Rena. Happy Valentine's Day or Happy Galentine's Day. So I have some gorgeous corner flowers for you today. This is a gorgeous floral set illustrated by Anna Oswald. Here are the Copic marker colors we'll be using today. We're going to make a pink orange set of flowers and also a gray set. So I've pre-stamped my images on Neenah 110 paper using Memento Tecido black ink, and I'm going to color the two biggest bouquets in the stamp set. The stamp set also comes with just some gorgeous smaller flowers that you can use as a background. They're very gorgeous and there's different shapes and sizes. I just wanted to color the two biggest ones for you today. The images are stamped on the Waverly die cut that's previously released. It's one of my favorite Mama Elephant die sets. I just love the bigger scallops and I love that stitching detail. I thought this would frame out these corner flowers nicely. I also stamped out the image here using Paula's Wishes. That's also previously released. That was part of the big holiday release last year. I started off with a light wash of the lightest color, and then I'm now going into the medium color and I'm shading in the bottoms of the petals. So I kind of decide, okay, all of the bottoms of the petals are going to be darker, and I try to keep that consistent throughout. I'm also coloring the leaves the darkest red color. Near that sentiment from Paula's Wishes, I did stamp out a little leaf detail. Here's the next image we're going to color. It's one of the other bigger bouquets in the set, and it is just absolutely gorgeous. I'm coloring this gray. I just kind of wanted to try just a super minimal card. So I'm using the toner grays here, and it's so interesting because all of the Copic marker grays are so different. The N's, the T's, the C's, and the W's. So this toner one is just very neutral. So I just kind of wanted to play around with the shading on these flowers and just use gray. So I'm kind of using the same method, and I just like to try different things with my Copic markers. So my newest thing is, if there's certain colors that are hard to blend for me, I'll keep my two markers that I'm trying to blend. I keep the tops open, and then I just like blend super fast. Like once I lay down that darker color, I'm like coming in right away with the medium color. So I'm just trying my best here to do shading, and I try to keep the shading consistent. So all the bottoms of the petals are going to be darker than the tops. So now I just wanted to add a little bit of interest on the card panels. So I'm kind of masking out where that stitching is, and I'm going to do some paint splatters with black. I just wanted to keep it minimal, and I kind of wanted to keep the splatter contained. So it'll be contained within that square area inside the stitching. So I'm just putting in my splatters. I feel like mine never come out like perfect circles, but I'm trying. So I'm just doing splatters there. I've removed the mask, so it kind of looks a little bit neater when the outside of the scallops don't have the splatter. So again, these are going to be super simple cards. I'm going to take some double-sided foam tape, and then that's how I'm going to adhere it to my card base. And my card base today is going to be the soft stone color. It's like a light neutral gray color. I believe this one is from Paper Tray Ink, Soft Stone. And then I also wanted to add another element, and whenever I do florals, I love adding these pretty pink posh bubbles. I believe they're called droplets. And then I just like to add them here and there, kind of near the sentiment. kind of near the flowers. And remember, if you have a hard time figuring out the placement, make a triangle somewhere. Not like a perfect triangle. You can make like a skinny triangle or a fat triangle, but if you do kind of a triangle formation with your droplets, it'll spread out the droplets kind of evenly and look random. So that'll be the finishing touches for our cards. I will have some pictures of the completed cards here. And we're calling those cards done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the Mama Elephant YouTube channel. Remember that Stampede starts tomorrow on the 15th. Also, the release is 12 a.m. Eastern Time. Thank you so much for joining me and watching the video. I will see you guys next time. Happy crafting. Bye, guys.